Hello, welcome back to this lecture again. So today we are going to learn the Laplace transformation of the nth derivative of a function of t and the integration from 0 to t. This is the lower limit and upper limit is given f of t dt. Okay. So when the Laplace transformation of f of t is given known as, then we can transform the nth derivative of a function. Okay. So we know that Laplace transformation of notation is L. Notation is L of f of t. But in this case, you can see that Laplace transformation of f of nth derivative of t, that is nothing but what? S to the power n Laplace transformation of f of t, okay, minus s to the power n minus 1 into f of 0 minus s to the power n minus 2 f prime of 0 minus, it will go on like that up to f of n minus 1 of 0. These are the derivatives. Okay, functional value is there. What you do is you put the function instead of x you put 0, माने जो x बदल जो 0 पकेगी वैल्यू बाहर करिवो. जदि फंक्शन कर दिया छी ते बाहर करिवो हैला. देखो जदि एटा nth डेरिवेटिव पाई जदि फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव, ओके, लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव ऑफ t फॉर्मूला कोन s टू द पावर n, जेतु nth डेरिवेटिव देखो एटी n अछि, एटी n अछि, सेति माने s टू द पावर 1 है एटी. सो लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ f ऑफ t, okay, minus s to the power n minus 1, but here it is 1, so s to the power 1 minus 1, that is 0, then f of what? 0. এটা এটা এতিকি পর্যন্ত হি যাব, আউ এই যে টার্ম গুড়া আসিব নাই, কাইকি না অলরেডি 1 minus 1 কেতে 0 হয়ে গলা, তো s to the power 0 means anything power 0 is 1, so this will be what? S to the power 1 Laplace transformation of f of t minus f of 0. Okay, that is our answer. Next we will go for Laplace transformation of second derivative of a function. Okay, second derivative function where s square Laplace transformation of f of t minus s power what? 2 minus 1 f of 0 minus s power what? 2 minus 2 f prime of 0. And the next term won't be there because already 2 minus 2 is going to be 0. Okay, so the next term will be 2 minus 3, so it is not going to be possible, so 2 minus 2 we can stop there. So the final answer is what? S square of Laplace transformation of f of t minus s, because 2 minus 1 is what? 1, so 1 f of 0 minus s to the power 0 f prime of 0, so s square Laplace transformation of f of t minus s into f of 0 minus s to the power 0 is what? 1, so f prime of 0. Okay, so this is the answer for Laplace transformation of what? Second order derivative. Okay, now you go for Laplace transformation of third order derivative of a function f t. Okay, this will be s cube Laplace transformation of f of t minus s to the power 3 minus 1 f of 0 minus s to the power 3 minus 2 f prime of 0 minus s power of 3 minus 3 f double prime of 0, means double derivative, and you need to put, instead of x you need to put 0. Here you have to stop because s to the power next term will be minus s to the power 3 minus 4 it is going to be, so it is not going to possible, so that's why I am not writing, I am stopping here only. So here s cube Laplace transformation of f of t minus s to the power 2 f of 0 minus s to the power 1 f prime of 0 minus s to the power 3 minus 3 equals 0. That's why I'm not writing anything, it's 1 just. So f double prime of 0. Okay, now this is the what? Second answer. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now if any question is given to us, then we can solve the problem. Okay, now you can see that what is the Laplace transformation of an integral. Okay, integral is given here. What is this integral? Integral is given here like this, f of t into dt, and the limit is ranging from 0 to t. Then the Laplace transformation of this one function will be 1 by s into Laplace transformation of this original function. Okay, remember? Then 1 by s into, after Laplace transformation, it is going to be f of s. Okay, I'm going to solve one example so that you can understand completely. Okay, suppose here given 0 to t e to the power minus t into cos t into dt is given. Okay, so you need to find the Laplace transformation of this function. So how to solve? First you need to find the Laplace transformation of this one, Laplace transformation of e to the power minus t into cos t. Okay, Laplace transformation you have to find for first this one. To solve this Laplace transformation, what is the cos t? Your coefficient is only 1. Okay, cos t means coefficient is 1. So Laplace transformation of cos t will be what? S by s square plus a square, but a is what? 1, that's why it is 1 square is 1. But here e to the power minus t is given, that's why it is going to be shift. How? Where s is there, s minus 1, but here what is the coefficient of this t? This coefficient of this t is what? Minus. This coefficient of t is minus 1. You see here, that's why s of minus 1, that's why s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 square plus 1. Okay, this is the Laplace transformation of e to the power minus t into cos t will be like this. So if you are going to solve this one, s plus 1 divided by s square plus 2s plus 1 plus 1, that's why s plus 1 divided by s square plus 2s plus 2. Okay, this is the Laplace transformation of e to the power cos at, means this term. Now what exactly you have to do is, according to this formula, this is going to be 1 by s into Laplace transformation of this one, but we have found this one only. What you have to multiply is 1 by s, that's why here it is going to Laplace transformation will be like this, 1 by s into s plus 1 divided by s square plus 2s plus 2. This is the after Laplace transformation. This Laplace transformation is going to be like this. So you have to understand first what you have to do is, you have to this is the function f of t, this is f of t. Okay, this f of t you have to first find the Laplace transformation of this f of t. Okay, this is the Laplace transformation we have found, but according to this definition, you have to apply this definition here, that's why we have found this is the final answer. Okay, okay, now we are going to solve the next problem. 0 to t sin t by t into dt. Okay, now you have to find the Laplace transformation of this one. So f of t, you have to identify what is f of t. F of t is what? Sin t by t. Okay, this is f of t. So now you have to find the Laplace transformation of this one. Laplace transformation of this one you have to find. So according to that we have studied earlier, Laplace transformation will be from s to infinity and 1 by s square plus 1 into ds. This is going to be what? Tan inverse of s this is going to be s to infinity. So you put, instead of s you put the upper limit, and minus, instead of this s you put the lower limit. So tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of s. So tan inverse of infinity is what? Pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s, but this is going to be what? Cot inverse of s. Okay, so by rule this is going to be what? 1 by s into Laplace transformation of f of t. But what is f of t? F of t is nothing but this one, but we have found what is the Laplace transformation of f of t? Is equal to cot inverse of s. That's why 1 by s into cot inverse of s, that is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. I hope you have understood this one. Okay, now I am going to use the derivative formula to find, okay, how to use the derivative formula. So suppose f of t is given to us, what? Cos a t. Okay, this is the function value. So by the using this Laplace transformation of cos a t, we need to find the sin a t. What is sin a t? Laplace transformation of sin a t we need to find. Okay, how much? We know that what is the Laplace transformation of sin a t. The Laplace transformation of sin a t is, we remember what? A by s square plus a square. Okay, after Laplace transformation this is going to be like this. So these things we need to derive here. How to derive? We know that function f of t is equal to cos a t. So after derivative, d of f of t divided by dt, what? D of cos a t divided by dt. So the answer will be what? Minus a into sin a t. This is the answer, right? So this is nothing but what? F prime of t. So we have found out f prime of t is equal to minus a into sin a t. Okay, f of f prime t is equal to minus a into sin a t. So minus 1 by a into f prime of t is equal to sin a t. Okay, we have found out. Now you go for Laplace transformation. Laplace transformation by making both sides. Okay, the Laplace transformation of minus 1 by a into a prime of t, this is nothing but Laplace transformation of sin a t. Okay, then minus 1 by a is common, then Laplace transformation of a prime of t is equal to Laplace transformation of sin a t. Now here we can find the Laplace transformation of sin a t here. So we know that the derivative formula, we can use the derivative formula here. Okay, what is the derivative formula? We have studied that if f of first order derivative is given, then this is nothing but s to the power 1, because here first derivative s to the power 1 into f of, sorry, this is Laplace transformation of f of t minus s to the power 1 minus 1 into f of 0. Okay, we can find what is this. So what is f of t? F of t is nothing but cos a t. So s to the power 1 Laplace transformation of cos a t minus s to the power 0 means 1. So f prime, what is f? F is nothing but cos a t. You put, instead of t you put 0. So cos of 0 will be what? 1. That's why s to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 1. Then s to the power 1. What is this? Cos a t. Cos a t Laplace transformation is s divided by s square plus a square. Okay, minus 1. Then this is going to be s square divided by s square plus a square minus 1. So s square plus a square is the LCM, s square minus s square minus a square. So s square is going to be cancelled. Okay, the final answer is minus a square divided by s square plus a square. Okay, but here it is given minus 1 by a into Laplace transformation of f prime of t. Okay, minus minus is going to be cancelled, so this is going to be 1 by a, right? So a is going to be cancelled, so the final answer is 1 by s square plus a square. But this is going to be what? Laplace transformation of sine a t. Okay, this is the final answer that you have got. Okay, thank you.